Yo, what's up guys? My name is Knowledge Makombe. Welcome to my channel, Nose Media TV. Guys, patinge chupaina uzilukiti kama Zimbabwe wanda guys. Kana it first time yako kuya pa channel, please subscribe, share, like, comment.
There are people who are saying you are clever. You are very, very clever. There are some people who are saying you are clever. They say you want to see too much. You want to see too much.
Asi pane vanhu vari kuti makangwarisa vanoda kuonesa chaizvo.
Too much. So I'm seeing an accident. You're roaring 3 times with a car. Do you drive?
Yes, I do.
You drive. I'm seeing an accident in the month of November. They're saying you want to see too much. You are too clever. There is someone whom they want to kill. There is someone whom they want to kill. And it seems like you are carrying that person to churches.
Asi pane munhu wawarida kuuraya asi imi ndimi muri kuenda nemunhu uyu kumachechi.
Was they saying before this year ends this person must die. But you now, you are carrying our meat to churches and everywhere. Who are you to carry our meat?
Ichokwadi prophet ndine hanzvadzi yangu iri mumota panze haichagoni kufamba.
True man of God, a brother is outside, he can't walk, he's bedridden, he's in the car outside.
Now you want to save our meat. You want to save our meat. Hallelujah. So now they are coming for you now. That want to see you. You say you want to save this one. So now we are coming for. Yeah. I'm seeing a car rolling 3 times, and you are in that car, and then when the ambulance arrived here, they say the person is dead, is no more. Your family, in your family, it's in your. They want to eat. You are saying your brother, but the other people they are saying it's our meat. You are saying it's my brother. You see now, you are saying it's my brother, while others are saying our. To disturb the meat of others. Vamwe vari kuti nyama yedu yoruti hanzvadzi yani.
Abanye bati nyama yetu.
Rutwe rukutorwerwa kuti nyama yadini.
Bati nyama sikona.
Have you ever see a thief? When you see a thief trying to steal from this person, what will happen? Say, I'm a thief, and this one, look this side. This one is not seeing that I'm stealing, and you see me. What will happen to you? I will come for you. Makamboona mbava. Ini ndikada kubira uyu tarisai uku. Uya asiri kuona awobva wandiona awa ndichida kuba chichi noitika. Ndinowenga uyu here kana ndowenga uyu. Ndowenga adini.
Nyazondo mbonileyo.
Saka waona you are seeing too much. Saka taakuwira ani manje. Wewe saka uchakudubuka nemota katatu uchibva wafira papi. Totanga newe taakuda kutanga newe manje. So you need grace. You need grace. Kana uchienda pamakava kuda kuenda kunotora mbudzi yako yabatwa nemakava, you have to be strong. Apanzwisaka? Kana uchienda pachi because makava anenga akutoona nyama iwe uchiona mbudzi yako uchida kununura mbudzi yako
wena ufuna ukunceda imbuzi
makhala anenge
yakho
achiona chi
impisi ziyabe
saka
zibona
unofanirwa
inyama.
kudi
Umele
because
uqine.
ukasasimba iwe nembudzi yako mese
wena
munetwa
ungayekela
chi.
ukuqina lonke le
Unethwa
mbuzi liyaba yinyama.
You have to be strong, dear sister. The war that is behind there, it's scary. Kwakauma uko kwakadini.
Kunzima.
Who is this one?
Amai wangu.
Ndiye amai.
Oh.